Hi, I'm Dr. Monique Y. Wells. I am the founder of the Wells International Foundation, WIF for short. And my organization is working on a very special project in our travel and study abroad strategic focus area. We are going to be reaching out to Black male youth, Black male teens specifically. We're going to be reaching out to them, to their parents, and to organizations that support them to explore the question of why it's valuable for these youth to explore the possibility of traveling abroad and undertaking higher education abroad. So travel and study abroad. We had a fantastic time talking with Kevin about this on the Talking with Kevin and Son podcast.